Chrome keeps crashing with the aw snap error. Millions of users are affected in 2026. Here are 6 proven fixes that actually work.
The snap error means a Chrome tab process has crashed. Each tab runs in its own isolated process. When a process accesses invalid memory, Windows terminates it immediately. Don't worry, this is definitely not a virus.
Solution 1. Fix your antivirus software. If you use Avast, AVG, or Norton, update it right now. If that doesn't help, disable Web Shield temporarily. If crashes persist, uninstall it completely and use Windows Defender instead. This is the #1 fix for most users in 2026.
Solution 2. Change the angle graphics backend. Type Chrome : flags, then search for use angle. Switch the backend to D3, D11, which is recommended for Windows. You can also try OpenGL or Vulkan if needed. Click Relaunch and test your browsing.
Solution 3. Disable hardware acceleration. Go to Chrome settings, then System. Turn off graphics acceleration and relaunch Chrome. This resolves most GPU-related crashes. You can always re-enable it after updating your GPU drivers.
Solution 4. Isolate extension conflicts. Open incognito mode with Control-Shift-N. If Chrome works fine in incognito, then an extension is causing the crash. Disable all extensions, then re-enable them one by one. Ad blockers and script managers are the most common culprits.
Solution 5. Reset your Chrome profile. Close Chrome completely. Navigate to your Chrome user data folder. Rename the default folder to Default Backup. Chrome will create a fresh profile automatically. Your Google account data will sync back when you sign in.
Solution 6. Rename Chrome.exe as an emergency workaround. Go to the Chrome application folder. Rename Chrome.exe to ChromeFix.exe. This forces Windows to treat Chrome as a brand new application. It clears antivirus memory hooks and bypasses conflicting DLL bindings.
Here are the main error codes you need to know. Status access violation is the most common one, and it means a memory conflict. Status breakpoint is often caused by GPU driver issues. Stack buffer overrun is frequently triggered by antivirus interference. Out of memory means your system has run out of available RAM.
Let's break down the root causes. Antivirus hooks from Gen Digital products are the leading cause of these crashes. Memory pressure and GPU driver issues are also common triggers. Extension conflicts and corrupt profiles make up the rest. The Windows 11 May 2026 update triggered a massive spike in these crashes.
Use this diagnostic flow to find your fix fast. Can't open Chrome at all? Rename Chrome.exe right away. Have Avast, AVG, or Norton. Fix your antivirus first. Works in incognito? Then fix your extensions. Crashes on video sites? Change your GPU settings? Nothing else works? Reset your profile completely.
Here's your quick fix summary. All 6 solutions are tested and verified for 2026. Start with the antivirus fix, as it works for most users. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button. More tech fixes are coming every week right here on ErrorFixer.